What's going on, guys? Noon Gamer Away here. Welcome back to another video. In this video today, I want to make something a little different in this video today. This is actually a announcement video that I do want to actually talk about on this second channel. So my vlogs and reactions channel, right, guys? I know you guys are probably listening to this, but I do want to talk about a few things before we get started on this announcement that I do have covered for you guys that I am planning on to do next for this channel and what my journey is going to take me by far on this content creation journey. I really do want to really thank for all the people who have supported me on the second channel with transitioning these different kind of content like vlogs, reactions, and a whole lot of other things that I've been transitioning to for this second channel to cover so much content for you guys, and I really do appreciate that so very much. Of hitting that subscribe button, hitting those notification bells, and also liking the videos, which I really do appreciate that so very much, and all the comments that you guys give me throughout these comments, which I really do appreciate that so very much. A lot. But I do want to go over this announcement that I'm going to do. So this announcement that I do want to announce that I am going to be rebranding into a brand new name. The Vlogs and Reactions channel was kind of getting a little bit too old. The name was kind of a little bit fading a little bit, is the word I would say. Is that when I would do different kind of content, I think the channel wasn't really aligning well with the content I was making around reactions and vlogs, because I've been a little bit on a pause with vlogs for a little bit. I don't really get out a lot, really do the vlogs, but I want to make a little bit of a change, that with this new name, that I'm gonna be renaming the brand of this second channel to All Things Noah is going to be the brand new name of this second channel. I'm going to be coming up with a brand new logo, a brand new channel art that I'm actually going to create with Canva, because that's the website I use to create my YouTube thumbnails, my stream schedule, and a whole lot more for these big events that I do for streaming, content creation, and a whole lot more. But I'm going to be making this new name. I'm going to make it a change for this, because I thought retransitioning with all the things I've been creating, like tip videos, sports news, gaming news, and my thoughts and opinions on the games that I play, and still having vlogs, I think makes everything a little bit easier for me with this new name. That I want to make this second channel more of a variety channel, where I make different kind of content that you guys don't see on my main channel, which I do make my main channel mostly a gaming channel that you guys mostly expect me from, of making gaming content around that channel, basically gaming shorts, gaming videos, gaming live streams that I do on YouTube. If you guys haven't followed me on my second channel, my main channel, definitely go and hit that subscribe button over there, because I do live streams on there. I do gaming videos, I do gaming shorts, and I also live stream also on Twitch. If you guys want to go and check that out, I will have links to them in the description down below. So be sure to go and check that my second channel out, and also my Twitch, because I would really do appreciate it if you guys could do and hang out in my live streams, because I like to get to know you guys a little bit, because I always like to get to know all my new viewers that do come and flock to my channels, because I do want to build a strong, positive community around Twitch and YouTube, because I think these platforms are really unique. They're awesome. I really like being a part of it, of being a content creator. And then also with this brand name, I just think it makes a little bit, how would I say it? So I think this name really stands out for me is that um is mostly because that I want to do different type of content on this second channel because I think with this new name, I think it makes my channel more stand out than reactions and vlogs because everyone mostly comes to mostly react to either my vlogs or reaction videos that I make. But I feel like I haven't been doing enough reaction videos, and I've been mostly focusing more on tip videos and doing less vlogs and more gaming news and sports news. So I kind of wanted to really think about rechanging the name to something else because I think just rechanging the name to something else I think makes my content a little bit more appealing for my audience. So I think with this new transition with the new name, I hope everyone does stick around and supports this because I know a lot of things might be a little different. It might be a little confusing at the start, but I think since I'm doing this, making this second channel more of a variety channel, I think it makes everything a little bit different. But I do want to announce this. I was supposed to announce this on my live stream on Friday, but I totally forgot to do that. So I thought making a video about it will probably be a really great idea to talk about it. But you guys will probably be watching this on Monday. But I will be working on this new channel name and rebranding it. New logo, new channel art, all that kind of stuff. But I'm really excited to actually share this with you guys, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this awesome content, all the announcements that I'll be making later on this channel. But if you guys are new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, also hit those notification bells, and I hope you guys enjoy the awesome content I make, like the sports news, the gaming news, and the tips that I make, and all the vlogs that I make. I hope you guys are on this journey with me, and I really do appreciate all of your support that you guys do to support me any way you can. Either watching the videos, liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, hitting those notification bells, and even follow me on the other platforms. I just really do appreciate all you guys' support that you guys do. But I hope you guys enjoy this journey with me and with the new change of the new name and with the new logo, new channel art, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And I will see you guys in the next videos.